Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about the 1 million dollar banknote, a very popular short story by Mark Twain, a great American writer, short story writer, publisher. Uh, Mark Twain was a great short story writer and humorist of America. Uh, William Faulkner has said that Mark Twain is the father of American literature. He is hailed as the greatest humorist of USA. This great author was known as Samuel Langhorne Clemens, but he was popularly known by his pen name Mark Twain. He was lauded as the greatest humorist in the USA. America has produced. William Faulkner called him the father of American literature. Mark Twain was born on 30 November 1835 in Florida, USA. He died on 21st April 1910 at Reading, Connecticut, USA. Mark Twain wrote many popular short stories, which include the celebrated Jumping Frog of Calaveras Country, The War Prayer, I's Diary, Luck, and many more. Mark Twain's present story, titled The $1 million banknote, is a very popular short story. In this short story, the writer gives an account of a strange situation which he usually creates in his story. It is full of humor, laughter, fun, and frolic. There is a poor man. He comes back from a voyage. He is penniless. So, he is in very great trouble. He comes across two gentlemen one day. These two gentlemen are brothers. They give the narrator an envelope. The envelope contains a $1,000,000 banknote. It also contains a note which says that the man will have appropriate situation after the expiry of a month. Now, the narrator is very happy to get this banknote, $1,000,000 banknote. So he goes to a restaurant. The narrator is very hungry. He has not eaten for some time. So he has hunger. He goes to a restaurant. He asks the owner of the restaurant to serve him better food. He has. He eats food to his content. Then the narrator tells the owner of the restaurant that he will dine at his restaurant every day. He also tells him that he will foot the bill. He will make a payment of the bill after his $1,000,000 banknote is encashed. The owner of the restaurant becomes very happy to meet such a well-off man, such a rich man. Then the narrator goes to a ready-made cloth store. He looks at different suits there. Then he buys the best suits available in the store for him. He puts on the suits and it suits him most. It fits him most. Now, the narrator commands much respect in his new suits. People consider him to be the richest man. Now, one day, he is walking in London. In course of his walking, he is invited to a royal party. He goes to attend the royal party in his befitting dress. He is received there cordially. People pay him much respect. They consider him to be a very rich man, very well-off man, very prosperous man of London. Now, during the party, he comes across Portia. Portia is a beautiful lady. She is actually a queen of beauty. The gentleman or the narrator is impressed by the beauty and charm of this lady. And Portia, the beautiful lady, is also impressed by this rich man. So, the narrator has love for Portia, and Portia too falls in love with the narrator. Now, the entire London is full of this story about this rich man. All the Londoners come to know that this gentleman has become very rich. One day, he goes to the house of the two gentlemen who has given him the envelope which consists of the 1 million banknote with a note. He is received cordially there. The two gentlemen respect the narrator very much. The two gentlemen had wait on the narrator. One of the brothers has said that the narrator will be able to live on it happily. The other brother has said that the narrator will land himself into trouble and go to prison or jail one day. But the situation happens to be very strange. A very interesting turn takes place when it is revealed that Portia, the lady, the narrator has fallen in love passionately, turns out to be a stepdaughter of one of the two brothers. The story takes a sudden turn, and the situation is very interesting, very entertaining. Towards the end, it is full of humor and humorous situation. Thanks a lot.